This is why your Tesla Model Y front camera might be taking a nap. First things first, let's check the basics. Make sure your car's software is up to date. Sometimes an easy update fixes the issue. Next, inspect the camera lens. Dirt, dust, or smudges can block the view. Give it a gentle wipe, and see if that does the trick. If it's clean and still not working, check for any recent impacts. A minor bump can misalign the camera. If you think that's the case, it's time to visit a Tesla service center. Another common culprit? Extreme temperatures. If it's too hot or too cold, the camera might temporarily shut down. Give it a bit and it should come back online. Lastly, don't forget to reboot the system. Just hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black, and then wait for it to restart. If none of these steps work, don't worry. Tesla's support team is always ready to help. Just reach out and they'll guide you through it. So, there you have it. A few simple steps to get your Tesla Model Y front camera back in action. Safe driving.